Hello, so here we are back again on our ss160. I'm just at the moment going through the throes of free playing this, putting it to free play. Well, that's the idea. Now your wheel there should subtract as it plays the credits. It'll pull it back and take a credit off. The fact that this one already has broken teeth means that when it makes a selection that it won't retract one, it just stays in the same position, so that's a bonus. Up here, now ordinarily you'd have that would go to your coin switches and everything. If you're having a problem with coin switches, your solenoid not dropping in, just try and pull that off and connect between 6 and 7 as I have done, and that actually bypasses your volts, go through there, come through there and go to your to your switch through that in the mechanism, in that one there he is, that one. Now, okay, so I got him on there. That's actually going to be a permanent jumper. The other thing I have been doing is that up here on my, where are you? There you are. On our solenoid we have, let's see if we can go back a bit. On our latch solenoid there, our latch solenoid, we've removed our components from here, which is these two up here, which is him, and the wire that came to him. I've just soldered them both together. I don't really see that effectively. I'm talking to my video, and that's joined onto there. Now it's just sitting there momentarily. I run a wire soldered onto there, and that comes down around onto here, which are your switches that when you engage it, he actually hooks it in and makes an earth circuit for your latch solenoid. Right, so now, which you'll see in a minute, I'll just have a look at that for a minute, and I'll just plug it in. So that now, it's plugged in now, but the latch solenoid is not in. I'll press, make a selection, I'll press a button, latch solenoid engages, press another one, which are our middle buttons, and it takes off. It's scanning, that's just me, and latch solenoid releases. So make a selection, and it comes off again. So it's not running all the time, and it won't overheat it. Now here, seeing as I don't have the ss160, which is tells him when to stop, he should go and stop himself then. Right, now, just while I think of it, down here on the service switch, I had a little problem trying to figure out the earth for it. What it turned out to be was this wire here, and it didn't look like it was actually on the service switch at all. In that circuit there, has to go through something, or else your power's just going straight to earth. So I had to hook him back in, and you read there, it should be in that circuit, and that was my problem. And his virtually just goes right around you. He goes in through here, and it's just a switch that closes in there when you make a selection, and the solenoid's engaged, and it closes your switch, which makes a selection. The other thing that I did find was our solenoid, which you probably can't see, add subtract solenoid, wasn't disengaging, it was holding in, and it just didn't want to disengage. I sprayed down there, gave it a blowout, and it's still holding down. In the end, I got a pair of pliers, and just what I did find was I just press it gently with my finger and it would pop back up quite merrily. So I got pliers and just gave it a whisker like that, and it's been working really good ever since. So hope that's a help to somebody. Bing!